Parts C and D of your test are multiple choice. On the line before each sentence, write the letter of the word that best completes each sentence. Number 51. Banks require customers to blank their checks. A. Hypnotize their checks. B. Flounder their checks. C. Endorse their checks. Or D. Conceal their checks. 52. The canoe was blank in the stream. A. Inhabited. B. Ruthless. C. Afloat. D. Carping. 53. The father took his children to blank in their new school. A. Abduct. B. Avert. C. Enroll. Or D. Outfox. 54. After school, Tom blank down to his favorite fishing hole to relax. He A. Parallel. B. Acclaimed. C. Ambled. Or D. Enrolled. 55. The carpenter cut the boards so they would blank. A. Endorse. B. Parallel. C. Dovetail. Or D. Embark. 56. Pete blanked in amazement when he won the lottery. He A. Gaped. B. Congregated. C. Aghast. Or D. Hypnotized. 57. Children's stories often have blank plots with imaginary characters. A. Innate. B. Whimsical. C. Fervor. D. Infinitesimal. 58. Joe found a small blank of lint in his pants pocket. He found an A. Whale. B. Prototype. C. Succor. D. Wad. 59. The fans showed great blank for their championship team. They showed A. Fervor. B. Fabricate. C. Zany. Or D. Prevail. 60. We tried to blank our eyes from the accident as we drove by, but it was hard not to look. We tried to A. Allege. B. Avert. C. Amble. D. Agile. 61. My puppy was the smallest and the blank of the litter. My puppy was the A. Retrieve. B. Ruthless. C. Runt. Or D. Carp. 62. The nurse at the scene provided blank to the crash victims until the ambulance arrived. Did she provide A. Scamper? B. Shambles. C. Succor. Or D. Shun. Number 63. Our team blank over our opponents. Our team A prevailed. Our team B passive. C. Parapet. Or D. Phobia. 64. The soldiers hid behind a blank so that they wouldn't be seen. Did they hide behind an A. Whale. B. Parapet. C. Motive. D. Succor. 65. She was blank in our group and would not help with any of the project. She was A. Parapet. B. Embark. C. Passive. Or D. Nefarious. 66. The cat let out a blank when I rocked my chair on her tail. The cat let out an A. Scamper. B. Foul. C. Waft. D. Whale. 67. Acrobats and gymnasts must have a great blank to do all their tricks. Do they have great A. Agility. B. Allege. C. Amble. Or D. Innate. 68. Blank are excellent boats for shallow water. A, motives, B, catamarans, C, shambles, or D, afloat. 69. Aircraft carriers are blank in size. Are they A, passive, B, inept, C, colossal, or D, industrious? 70. The first McDonald's was the blank of all those to follow. Was it A, the underdog, B, the aptitude, C, the fabricate, or D, the prototype? In Part D, you need to choose 5 of the words from the box below and use them in individual, original sentences that show you understand the meaning of each word. Be sure to underline the vocabulary word in each sentence. It's just like our weekly vocab tests. You pick 5 words and use them. You don't define them in the sentence, but you use them so that we know what they mean. Here are the words to choose from: motive, abound, boisterous, industrious, outfox, phobia, prevail, zigzag, aptitude, shambles, inept, splice, acclaim, and gape. I would suggest you choose your words and then go back to sections A and B and, actually any of the sections where you're sure that you use the word correctly, and make sure you know the definition.